Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Motorola Edge 30 Pro and how to set up it. First I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because a free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. As you can see, if we open to ip.io, its site shows that we are in Poland now. But now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Find application with right button icon and tap Install. Choose Open. Choose Start Now. Tap on the cross on the right corner. Wait a while and fine. Here in the top right corner of the screen there is a globe. By clicking on it, you can choose which country to connect to, or simply press Tab to connect to the fastest VPN server. So tap on this caret and choose OK. Wait a while and cool. Now on the control panel you see this message that VPN successfully connected, but now let's check what 2ip.io says about us now. So open 2ip, reload this page, and as you can see we are in United States now. Fine. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.